Hello friends, today we will learn about aromatic plants. Aromatic plants are those which contain essential oils that are derived from different types of metabolic intermediates. Aromatic plants are widely distributed throughout the plant kingdom but mainly found in the family such as Labiatae, Rutaceae, Apiaceae, Leguminosae and Lauraceae. Clear? And the oils are generally present in the floral parts but also found in the leaves, bark, fruits and seeds. Essential
And next,
oils usually have smaller molecules which are less than 20 carbon atom long and are typically liquid at room temperature. And these oils possess an aromatic fragrance because of volatilization on exposure to air. Clear? Chemically, essential oils consist of a variety of substances such as benzene, derivative terpenes, and various straight chain hydrocarbons, and even nitrogen and sulfur containing chemicals. And next is general uses of aromatic plants. The essential oils obtained from aromatic plants are used in perfume industry and used for manufacturing of soap, flavoring of food and beverages, and also used in different medicines and as components of ink, glue, and also used as solvents in paint industry. And some essential oils are also used as laboratory agents. So first we are starting with rose oil, also known as ether of rose. The source of rose oil is flowers of Rosa damascena, Rosa alba and Rosa centifolia, and these belong to family Rosaceae, and the plants are small thorny shrubs growing commercially in different parts of the world, and in India it is also cultivated in almost all the states. And one more important point is that rose oil is extracted mainly by distillation, inflorescence and solvent extraction method, and the yield is about half gram per kg of petals. And next is the principal chemical constituents of rose oil. Mainly citronellal is present, that is about 65%. Other constituents are geraniol, neroliol, and the oil is pale yellow, semi-solid to solid at room temperature. And next are the uses. Most of the oil is exported to France for use in perfume industry, and it is also used to flavor food and beverages, and in India it is used for preparation of various Ayurvedic medicines. Clear? And next is Symbopogon, popularly known as lemongrass oil, and the source is leaves of Symbopogon citratus and Symbopogon flexus, and the family is Poaceae. The plants are perennial, tropical, and mainly cultivated in Paraguay, China, Japan, Korea, Indonesia, Malaysia, Singapore, and many other countries. And next, the oil is obtained by distillation process, and the oil is reddish yellow liquid with strong flavor and taste of lemon. Due to the taste of lemon, this oil is popularly known as lemongrass oil, and the principal chemical constituent of this oil is citral. About 80% citral is present in it. And next are the uses of oil obtained from Symbopogon. First, it is used in various fragrant materials, and more commonly it is used as a base for synthesis of somewhat violent perfumes, and medicinally it is also used for production of vitamin A rich medicines. And next is oil of citronella. It is also obtained from the Symbopogon but from the different species, that is Nardus, that is Symbopogon nardus, and this oil is mainly used as an insect repellent due to the high percentage of geraniol, that is 80 to 90%. So friends, this was all about the rose oil and lemongrass oil, and I will make more videos on the jasmine oil, lavender oil, camphor and mint oil. So subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.